Alright guys, hey, check it out. I got the infinity keys. I'm just going to show y'all something I learned the other day. I think it's pretty damn rad. Cool. Awesome. You know. Alright guys, before we get into the video, I wanted to go ahead and also tell y'all my son is the one that came across this on the internet. He's the one that found out that you can actually do the reverse camera. So I got to give you props to Dylan, so thank you. Dylan Butler, that's my son. Check him out on Instagram. I will put his link down in the description below. Alright, let's get back to the video. Ooh. I figured we'd go ahead and open that up because I don't want to get fumes. Don't want to get fumes all in the house. But hey, check it out. Crank her up. Go ahead and roll the windows up where it ain't so loud, because this thing's got some drone to it. For ones that don't know, it's nothing but it's a G37, test pipes, deleted mufflers, cold air intake, a little shot of NOS. I don't reveal the shot that we put through it, but I want to show y'all something that I found out. So we know I do a lot of racing. I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. Alright, so you see the backup camera. Alright, so radio's on. They say turn it off. I mean, they say mute it, but I really don't think this is a mute. When I push this button, it really goes off. Okay, so I'm gonna put you right there where you can kind of see what's going on. But you push settings, and then you push your volume up. Just go up. Alright, you go down one. Okay, you release that. Alright, let me show you here. You go down to confirmation adjustment. Alright, click it. Then you go all the way down to where it comes to camera. Alright, click camera. Alright, this is your number, the first one with the line of rear view camera. Click it. Alright, I'm in drive, guys. I'm in drive and my camera is on. So yeah, when I'm racing, I can use my backup camera as a video camera. That's pretty cool. Just something else I found out about the G37. I think it's pretty cool. You know, a lot of y'all probably knew that already. Like I said, I didn't know it. Sucker's sounding good, don't it? And it'll stay like that until, you know, now, I'm not mistaken, but I believe when I check this out, see what that is? That's snow chains. We were gonna put them on the car today, but it's for a smaller tire. So yeah, we didn't get to do that. But anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. Guys, if y'all want to see me use that in the next race video I do, leave it in the comments below. I think that's going to be pretty cool to use. So yeah, if y'all know any more information that I might not know on the G37, let me know in the comments below too. Let me know, I'll make a video on it. Yeah, that's that. Country Rider, aka Sean Butler. Till next time, peace out. We love you. Guys, I know that was a short video for today, but day 3 of the snow, and kind of just staying in, enjoying time with the family. So we'll catch you on the next one.